Hi, in this video we're going to walk through homework 2 part 1 and we're going to do example 2. We're going to use a similar approach with example 2 as we did with example 1. I'm going to start with rectangle command. I'm going to place it here, and again, if you're not seeing this cursor at the middle, you have to have show genomes on. Genomes. I think it's genomes. You have to show that on. Genomins. That's what it is. Genomins. You have to show that on. Okay. And then you can find the origin easily. Click. There it is. The width is 8, and the height is 6.5. I hit enter. I accept. Okay, and then I can hit Alt F1, Alt F2. Now, there's a number of ways I can do the notch, but let's try something. So we're going to go to the line command, and we're going to try this. It was probably on horizontal, or I'm sorry, it was probably on freeform. Okay, we're going to go to horizontal, and we can select. We'll stick with 2 endpoints. So what we can do is, because we're doing horizontal, we can pick here and we can pick here, and then we can specify an angle offset. I'm sorry, an axis offset. So that's going to be 2.5. Okay, and then we create a line like that. Then we could switch this to vertical, and you could pick the same line length there, and then specify the axis offset as 2.5. That's the axis offset from the origin, so it's not 2.5. Sorry about that. It is actually 5.5, right? And then we can accept that. Okay, and then we're going to do this line up here, and we're going to use the old freeform. Well, yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to do freeform. Because the other thing, what I was thinking is I could also do horizontal, right? I could go here, I'm sorry, go vertical. I could go here and here. And then for my axis offset, it could be 6.5. All right. And then I can do the same thing here. Go here. Oops, I need vertical. I'm sorry, I need horizontal now. And then my axis offset could be 5.5. And it appears here. Okay. Then I can go freeform and show that. All right, and then I don't need these lines, and I'm just showing you there's many different ways you could do it. I don't need these lines. Then I can trim things out, and I can go 2 lines, 2 entities. Okay, now I had something strange happen here because I got a double line because I made a mistake previously. So I hit escape to get rid of that, and then I delete that. Okay, now I add the circles, and we're going to use the old hold down the shift key, click here, and then hold your mouse over that, and we're going to go 2.5, comma 3. Enter 3 times, and then we'll set the diameter 2.5. Hit enter, and then we're going to do the top, but you can see the top is coming from this corner, so we're going to hold down the shift key and select that point, keep our mouse there, and it's going to be 5 and minus 1.5. and that has a diameter of 1.5. Okay, and that completes homework 2, example 2. So I say okay, so I'm going to go to File, Save As, different way of doing it, and put my initials, and then this is homework 2, example 2. Save it, do a snipping tool to grab it, take it to Word, and paste. Label it. And that concludes this video.